Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skyrim VR with mods. Modding can greatly enhance your virtual reality experience, adding new quests, graphics, and gameplay mechanics. First, ensure your computer meets the minimum specifications for both Skyrim VR and the mods you plan to install. A powerful graphics card and at least 16 gigabytes of RAM are highly recommended for a smooth experience. We will cover everything from initial setup to troubleshooting, helping you transform your game into something truly unique and immersive. To begin, you will need a robust mod manager. Mod Organizer 2 is highly recommended as it keeps your game directory clean by installing mods virtually. Next, install the Skyrim script extender, often called sksever, which many advanced mods require to function correctly. Ensure your virtual reality headset, like an Oculus Quest 2 or Valve Index, is properly configured for PC VR. Adjust settings for a comfortable field of view and a smooth frame rate, aiming for at least 90 frames per second. Now, let's find some amazing mods. Nexus Mods is the primary hub for Skyrim VR modifications. Browse categories like graphics, gameplay, and new lands to discover content that suits your preferences. Always read the mod descriptions thoroughly, paying close attention to compatibility requirements and installation steps. Some mods might require specific load orders or patches. Start with smaller, quality-of-life improvements before diving into larger overhauls to ensure stability and a smooth modding journey. After installing mods, it is crucial to test your game frequently. Launch Skyrim VR to ensure everything loads correctly and there are no immediate crashes. If you encounter issues, systematically disable recently added mods to identify the culprit. Common problems include mod conflicts or incorrect load orders. Utilize tools within your mod manager to check for conflicts. Always back up your game's save files and the entire Skyrim VR installation before making major changes, saving you potential headaches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.